No one likes this on their garage floor due to your exhaust pipe. So what I did is took some Permatex, some exhaust sealant, um, removed the pipe, cleaned everything up, put a thick layer of Permatex inside of the pipe,
Yeah, exactly.
slid it back on, made sure it was snug, tightened everything down, cranked the bike up, and success.